Let's face it, a lot of us can afford to lose some pounds, but exercise can be boring. But this is the BCAN little trampoline rebounder. This is where you can do some big exercises. You can have a lot of fun doing it. You have this safety rail too, so you don't have to worry about falling off, but you can do like a little jogging. It's really good on your knees. It's really easy to put together. You just actually put these little bungee cords on each spring, or as many as you want. The more you have, the sturdier the trampoline is going to be, and the less you have, it's going to be a little bit more bouncy. So you can kind of customize that to how you want. And then you have this adjustable handrail where you can heighten it and lower it. The trampoline is also high quality, really good stitching. This is nothing to be afraid that it's gonna break. This is really strong. Whether it's like running in place or going side to side, or you can like go off of it and do push-ups on it. It's a lot of fun, and there's some exercises you can do online as well to follow along with. But just like doing this for like 5 minutes, you notice that's a lot more exercises you're going to get than sitting on the couch for 5 minutes. I will tell you that much. It is really good. It's also foldable. So if you want to tuck this away, maybe you don't want this sitting out in your room, like taking up too much space, you just can fold this thing up and put it against the wall. So it's really nice and compact. This is fun. This is I could see a lot of people getting into this because it's good on your knees. So if you have bad knees and you want to run, you want to exercise, you can do that without putting a lot of strain on your knee, like on the ground or on a treadmill. So that's cool. You can do star jumps. You can do varsities where you jump and you touch your toes. I'm not gonna do that here. I'll do that next one. But it's a lot of fun. I like this thing a lot. And you do this for 10 minutes a day. Watch a TV show while you're doing it if you want. You'll notice a difference. Highly recommend this. And thanks for watching.